This is why you keep fire extinguishers on your rig.
Why is that, Kyle?
So when your front diff explodes, literally explodes.
Yeah, it's still smoking. You guys can probably see.
Yeah, all of a sudden my truck started making a vibration and a bunch of smoke. I'm like, what the hell? And I pull over and there's fire.
Now, what are we doing going, 2 hours south of home? We got 2 trailers full of cars, Kyle.
So we were on our way to Glamis. We were hauling the SXS Blog's cars out, plus ours. And we got a bad stroke of bad luck here.
Hey, we'll get it figured out.
Real bad stroke of bad luck.
Yep. But we're close to home, so we can get it figured out. We can find a truck, so.
Hopefully.
But I think we're gonna let you guys go because it is coldish out here and I'm ready to go find someplace warm. Well, new truck to the rescue. What do you think, Kyle?
It's not ideal, but it will get the job done. So thanks to my mom and dad for running the big semi for my brother over here. So we are going to, wow, that lens is dirty. Going to head on to California with this thing.
Yeah, we lost about 3.5 hours, but not a big deal. We had plenty of time, so we're gonna get out of here because I don't know about you, but I'm tired of staying in the cold.
Yep.
Checking straps. It is probably a little chilly out here to have shorts on, but I don't care. I think it's 24 degrees outside.
I thought it was supposed to be warm down here.
Yeah, well, I was just saying it's like 24 degrees outside. So,
oh,
where the hell are we? Santa Rosa, New Mexico.
Santa Rosa, New Mexico.
Yep. I mean, you guys are probably keeping track of where we're at anyways. What's the matter? That sun bright?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need to know where we're at. All you got to do is look at the SXS Blog universe page. You'll be able to track our whole trip.
Right.
So.
Yeah. Every 2 seconds, spotted.
Oh, love it.
And by the way, we do have security. You just can't see them.
Yeah.
Or it.
All right, guys, let's catch a little bit.
Well, it's not the truck I was hoping to have, but it made it. It made it. We are here. We are here.
Yes, we are.
Made it. We're at the, everything made it. All in one piece, man.
Yep.
Made it.
Glamis, baby.
Glamis.
Glamis. We are here. Took us a little longer than we thought, but we made it.
Average of 50 miles an hour.
Hey, you know what? We made it. What do we got? 9 cars are here. SXS Blog guys are about a half hour out. So we're gonna hang out here at the Glamis store, wait for them. We're in Glamis. Hell yeah.
Yes.
Lots of fun coming, boys.
Hell yeah. Well, we're out here, Glamis Sand Dunes. About to go on the first rip. Can't wait. Insane. It was so much fun. All right, Turbo S is out here doing good after the rebuild. Jason over here getting his lighted whip all set up.
Yeah, figure I better get it on so when I'm falling, you know, days behind everybody, they can still find me.
Yeah, it's all good.
This place is awesome, man.
It is.
This place is awesome.
Yeah.
So.
I'm a little mad my GoPro wasn't getting the forward facing when I was following Jason. It would look cool.
We got all week.
I know.
Whatever. So we got a lot of riding to go. This is just half a day, not even half a day out here. So.
It's been insane.
Yep. Yeah, it's been pretty BA. You got this beautiful sunset.
Yep.
Off camera will pick that up, but it is amazing.
Yeah, kind of. There it is.
Oh, I think we're gonna finish wiring this in, get the cars all fueled back up, and possibly go do a night ride tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, we got everybody out here. We got SXS Blog. You guys seen we hauled their stuff out for them. Got the Pro R Battlefield unit. Got 168. Frankie's driving that. Matt's car. Yep, just Nick's car. All set up. Yeah. It's gonna be an awesome time. Got Uncle Chet out here. If it'll focus. Come on, you can do it. How badass did that Pro turn out? Thing rips pretty good too. All right. Help Jason get this done and find some food, hopefully.
So what we got going on here? Frankie?
I didn't do nothing.
Did you break another car?
I did. We burned one down to the ground.
Yep.
Now, this one doesn't want to start.
So what are we doing to start this?
We ripped some electrical out of the car. That was burned. That was burned.
We're recycling the burned car?
Well, Uncle Chet says, I've done this. It'll work.
We can make it work.
I can't see anything. I think I'd stay with it. Alright. We're gonna go.
Hopefully that's hot.
I can't see his car though. Somebody's got to give me light behind his seat on the other side.
So what do you think after the first day of riding?
Alright, to be honest with you, during the day we were going. Felt really good. Really, really good.
You're kind of dark, but I don't care. It'll be fine.
Yeah, so yeah, for day one, when we went out during the daylight, it was crazy fun. Then we decided to follow Nick at night.
Very dangerous.
And it was spicy.
Yeah, it was slightly on the sketchy side.
Oh, then good memories were definitely made though once we found that burnt RZR.
Yes, there were. Yeah, I don't
Long
think we got
story
much
on
video
that.
of that, but
Long
yeah.
story on that, but it was awesome.
Yeah, it was a good time. Had a good time. What a great group of guys to be out here riding with.
Yep.
So,
Yep,
looks like it's going to be a beautiful day, so I think we're going to fuel up and get the hell out of here.
my car over boosted, so I got no power. But Doug and them are jumping this little hill here, so Jason's gonna join in. Right off the bat. Leo. Goes Jason again. What you thinking of China Wall?
China Wall is freaking awesome, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's big.
It is big.
Very. It is also very awesome.
Yes.
Yeah, this place is freaking sweet, man. I'm glad we made it out here.
I know.
So hopefully we get your car figured out, but
we'll clear that code and yeah. I'll take a washer out and hopefully that'll fix the overboost.
Yeah, that should do it. But yeah, man, this is some awesome riding. I think we're gonna carve out now, just take the easy way because we got like 4 broken cars already. So
yeah. Unfortunately, it's only day 2.
Yeah, day 2. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated.
Shenanigans at Oldsmobile Hill. All right, got some Pro R4 seat going against the 2-seat Can-Am and Leos, and then the non-demo unit. Leo's Can-Am and the non-demo unit have been neck and neck going up these hills each time. So we got the Pro R here. We're gonna see how it goes. Pro, Leo's X3, Pro R, and the non-demo unit. Frankie getting them lined up. They all just line up, nose to nose.
They got it?
Yep. Dougie's Pro takes it.
That was real retarded.
Well, it's early the next morning. Last night we were at Olds, and on the way back, my car started making some weird noise. Found out that the good old bushing came out of the secondary. It took out my seal. Luckily I had a new one, so that's replaced. So now I just gotta try to find that helix cover or a whole secondary and go from there so I can rip today. About to run up to Vendors Row and see what we got. Hopefully something's up there. If not, maybe I'll throw out a message. Maybe somebody can hook me up.